Hey everyone. Okay, so you can see we've got the Teletype here, we've got the Sinfonion here. Sinfonion is set to sync master on out 1, which is the harmonic sync function, and it's connected to a mult here, which behind the scenes is connected to the teensy in the I2C2 MIDI module. And what that means is that Teletype, using this command here, this custom command, i2m.s.qt, can quantize to whichever scale, mode, degree and transpose setting is on the Sinfonion. So this sequence it's running off the same CV, which is multed here, and the Sinfonion is quantizing the bass, whilst this command on the Teletype here is quantizing the melody. And you can hear, at the moment, we're in C major, and now minor, and the melody is following the Sinfonion. We can transpose up, and the melody is still following the bass line. We can change the mode, the degree, so what this lets us do, of course, is on the Teletype we can create lines, melody lines that follow the settings of a Sinfonion. Thanks everyone.